get a new car collection. RC car collection. Simulation car model. New control experience. So actually guys, maraming design doon, but itong design na to, ito lang yung color. Anyway, Kitty Pie don't like the color, I think. Actually, they have their blue color Kitty Pie, but different design. A little bit smaller, but I like this guys. So look at the design. Same sports car.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini! We don't have like this, guys. Yeah, that's why I buy this one. Actually, I get nice offer for this. That's why I buy it. If nice offer, I only buy this one. If no offer, I will never buy. Oh my God. So actually guys, the battery is not included, okay? So we have a battery here actually. Yeah, wait. Slowly. See, this is the remote control. No, what's this? Why like this? So actually guys, yeah, they will not try this one there. So they told me, and actually I buy this one only there in our home. So if this will not working, anytime I can go back there in the store. So they have 2 battery. Yeah, this is the one. So ipapakita ko din sa inyo kung paano to tumatakbo. So this is the one guys. See how they do it. Oh my God, Dayan Studio know how to unboxing already. Yeah, see, this is the remote. Oh my God, boom boom. I have Lamborghini. I have Lamborghini now. And this is the one guys. Actually, I buy 2. So this is the one. Ready to run. Speed fashion. So I think this is also an article, right? Yeah. It's okay. Small but durable. Same takubo. So guys, oh my God. Actually guys, I don't like the color anyway. But the offer is so good. It's the same time. So I took it. The only one color for this design also. That's why they have sale. Yeah, it's like that, right, guys? So if sale, you can't watch this the color. So this is the remote control, and of course this is for the battery. Where's for the battery? So papakita ko sa inyo guys pag tumatakbo na ito, no? If it's already okay, so we will show you then. Oh my God, this is the what's this? It's not an antenna. This is the design. Antenna? So how you take this? Yeah, they have. See, wait guys. It's okay guys. Kitty Pie na bahala nito. After it will run, it destroy. So papakita namin sa inyo guys if it's already okay to run. Battery guys. But the battery is not included. Ayan. So let's check this out. How to run this one. Let's try the Lamborghini. Oh my God. Yeah, this one.
This one is no steering, only straight. Go front and back. That's cheating.
You're too much complaining. Hindi pa you're not buying that one too much costly. Okay, don't complain in. I will go back at the store. They're cheating though, guys. Oh my God. But I like the color, right? How fast is this? It's good for the price actually. So guys, that's all for today's video. Let's check it out for our next collection. No? Don't forget to click the subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching.